Oh, you are watching Islamabad Today News. The Kuwait-Pakistan Business Expo 2025 marks a new era of bilateral trade and economic cooperation between Pakistan and Kuwait. Scheduled to be held from December 11th to 13th, 2025, in Kuwait City, the event is jointly organized by the Embassy of Pakistan and the Kuwait Chamber of Commerce and Industry. According to the organizing committee, chaired by Mohammed Salim Ansari along with Mohammed Raza Siraj, Malik Wakar, Mohammed Nadeem Warach, and Sylvester Sam, this three-day expo will serve as a powerful platform to enhance trade relations, business networking, and investment opportunities between the two brotherly nations. Leading Pakistani companies, industrial sectors, and overseas entrepreneurs will take part in the event, showcasing a wide range of products including textiles, sports goods, surgical instruments, leather, handicrafts, IT, and food. The expo will highlight Pakistan's manufacturing excellence and export potential under one roof.
एक तो 20 साल बाद हमारे वीज़े खुले कुछ पॉलिटिक्स की चीज़ें जिसमें हम लोग जाना नहीं चाहते पर हम ये कहेंगे कि अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि आज 20 साल बाद अगर हमारे वीज़े खुले तो हमें एक हुनरमंद लोगों को वहाँ लेके जाना चाहिए जैसे कि हमारे तकरीबन मेल फीमेल नर्स हेल्थ में बहुत अच्छे जा रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट 5,000 मोर देन 5,000 इसी तरह अगर आप में से कोई भी कोई जाना चाहता है तो एज ए वर्किंग वीज़ा जाना चाह रहा है या किसी भी तरीके से उसके हाथ में हुनर होना चाहिए हुनरमंद आदमी कभी भी नाकाम नहीं होगा अगर आप समझे कि मेरा बेटा काम नहीं कर रहा मैं उसको वहाँ भेज दूँ तो उसके लिए बेकार है वो कुछ यहाँ कुछ नहीं कर रहा तो वहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं करेगा हम सबको ये सोच के भेजना चाहिए कि ये कुवैत एक इंस्टीट्यूट है जहाँ पे आपने जाके बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं आज कुवैत के अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो पहले कुछ आज उन्होंने सीख के माशाल्लाह अपनी अपनी कंपनीज खोल के बैठे हुए हैं.
The organizing team has already held successful meetings with federal ministers and leading chambers of commerce, including the FPCCI and Islamabad Chamber, and plans further visits to Lahore, Sheikhupura, Sialkot, and Gujranwala to encourage maximum participation from the business community across Pakistan. The committee expects thousands of visitors, including Kuwaiti investors, buyers, and trade representatives, making this a key event to boost exports and promote joint ventures in construction, energy, agriculture, and technology sectors. In their concluding remarks, the organizers reaffirmed their commitment to support Pakistani entrepreneurs interested in establishing ventures in Kuwait, emphasizing their mission to build sustainable trade bridges between the two nations. The Kuwait-Pakistan Business Expo 2025 is set to become a landmark event, redefining bilateral trade, strengthening partnerships, and showcasing Pakistan's private sector potential on the international stage.